Now we discuss the next topic, curl of a vector. Curl of vector. Curl of a vector. What is definition? I can just define the definition. If a vector of x comma y comma z is a differentiable point function defined in some region of point, which point here now, x, y, z, x comma y comma z. So we have to find out differentiable function defined in some region of the x comma y z. It will be defined as a notation del cross f vector. What is del cross f vector? We have to find out del cross f vector. This is a formula for a del cross f vector, or simply curl f vector. Okay. So what is the del cross f vector? It is a simple notation. Del cross f vector equal to, put the determinant. So here I vector, here j vector, here k vector. So here dou by dou x, here dou by dou y, here dou by dou z. So here f1, here f2, here f3. So here given already f vector is given defined vector. That vector can be defined in a matrix determinant. Here ijk, here dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. So here coefficient of I will be f1 vector, coefficient of j vector it will be f2, coefficient of k vector it will be defined a f3 vector. Next, finally have to find out the determinant of this vector. This is called what actually? Curl of f vector. The next, from the curl of f vector we should find out the irrotational vector. This is another definition, irrotational vector. Okay. So here if you know find out the curl f vector. If curl vector is 0, then it is called irrotational vector. Irrotational vector. If you find out the curl of f vector, if you find the curl of f vector is 0, then f vector it is what? Irrotational vector. If you find out the determinant of value, this determinant value curl f vector is 0 now, then automatically it is called what? Irrotational vector. Simply it is denoted by del cross f vector equal to 0. Automatically f vector is irrotational vector. We have find out the determinant by using determinant. The vector value del cross f vector automatically is 0 now, and f vector is irrotational vector. Now we will discuss the problem also. So here what is the problem means? So given already here now, what you have to prove? So that we have to prove so that f vector equal to sin y plus z I vector plus x cos y minus z j vector plus x minus y k vector is irrotational. We have to prove it is a irrotational. What is the definition here? Irrotational. We have to find out the del cross f vector is 0. Just find out now. So what is the formula here? First find out the del cross f vector. So what is the formula for del cross f vector? Just see the formula. Ijk, here dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Here f1, f2, f3. Now I can denote it by here I vector, j vector, then k vector. Here dou by dou x, dou by dou y, then here dou by dou z. So denoted by here f1. F1 is nothing but coefficient of I. What is the coefficient of I here? Sin y plus z. This is f1. What is f2 here? X cos y, x cos y minus z. And what is f3? Here x minus y. I denoted by here x minus y. put the determinant. So I just find out the determinant of this vector. So what is determinant here? You know determinant, how should you find determinant here? So here I vector into, so this will be what? So here I vector into what? This into this. So dou by dou y of x minus y minus dou by dou z of x cos y minus z. The next, put the bracket minus j vector of this, leave it this row, this column. So here dou by dou x of x minus y minus dou by dou z of sin y plus z, close the bracket, plus k vector of dou by dou x of x cos y, here dou by dou x of x cos y minus z minus dou by dou y of sin y plus z. Just close the bracket. The next we should find out here. So dou by dou y of this function. So this will be x. X is what actually here 0. Here minus y. So here get it what only here no. So I vector of here 0 minus 1. So here then here dou by dou z of here x cos y. Here no differentiable. It will be what? Minus z will be there. So minus z will be minus 1. So here put the bracket, minus sign here. Here is also 0 minus 1. The next, close the bracket, minus j dou by dou x of this function. So here x will be 1 minus 0. Here this will be 0. No. So here dou by dou z of this function. So this function will be 0 plus z will be 1. Close the bracket. The next plus k vector of dou by dou x of this function. So this function will be what? This will be x will be only 1. We got it only 1. So here we get the what? Only 1 into cos y. So this will be 0. Here minus sign will be there. Dou by dou y of sin y. Differentiation sign will be, what is the formula? You know the formula, it will be cos y. So here cos y. So plus 0. Close the bracket. Finally what you get now here? Here minus 1, minus get the plus 1. So automatically minus 1 plus 1 get the 0. Here is also 1 minus 1. Here is also 0. So here cos y minus cos y. What is final answer? You get it the 0. So what you get now here? Del cross f vector equal to 0. Then automatically f vector is what actually? It is irrotational. We have to prove it is a what? We have to prove it is a irrotational. We proved because del cross f vector is 0. So therefore f vector is what? Irrotational. F vector is irrotational.